Here we'll discuss some observations of the cross product. Cross product is also known as a vector product. Now, in this discussion, we'll choose two vectors. One is known as A vector, the other one is known as B vector. Now, A cross B. See, when you take the dot product between the two vectors A and B, the dot product of two vectors always gives a real number, a constant. Next, coming to the cross product, as we are going to take cross product between the two vectors or the vector product between the two vectors, this always results a vector, a new vector. This will give rise to a new vector. So we can say that A cross B is a vector, and the vector which is obtained by taking A cross B is perpendicular to both the vectors. One is known as A, the other one is known as B. That is about the point that we have to remember regarding the A cross B first observation. While coming to the second observation, A cross B formula we know. See, the formula for A cross B can be written as magnitude of A, magnitude of B into sine of the angle between the two vectors. And the next one is known as n cap. And we know that n cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both the vectors. One is known as A, the other one is known as B. Now, we will take the modulus on both sides, that is LHS and as well as the RHS. Now we'll see what is going to get happen. That is magnitude of A cross B is equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, magnitude of sine theta into magnitude of n cap. As we discussed that n cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both the vectors A and B, and the magnitude of n becomes how much? 1, because n is a unit vector. So the continuation of this can be written as magnitude of A cross B is equals to, we will write it as magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta, and in the place of magnitude of n, we will write it as 1. So this can be written as magnitude of A cross B is equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B into sine theta. Now, if we want to calculate the angle between these two vectors by means of a cross product, then get this magnitude of A and magnitude of B to this side. Then this will become sine theta is equals to magnitude of A cross B by magnitude of A into magnitude of B.